Hello, Steve Mills here. Thanks for spending a few moments with me on this short video. I've spent over 30 years now helping small businesses, consultants, advisors, trainers, and people in the helping industry to become more successful in the fields of sales and marketing. In other words, making more money. And in that time, I've learnt my skills, my trade, by learning from and listening to the world's leading sales and marketing experts. And I'm up to date with the most relevant digital AI marketing strategies. So today, I want to talk to you about something I call random marketing. Let me give you an example from a different world, the world of fitness. What people who are sort of reasonably fit do, they tend to do things in fits and starts. So, for example, they'll go down the gym when they can. Sometimes they go down 2 or 3 times a week, and then they might miss for a couple of weeks. Then they go down there again once more the following week, and then the week after they go down 2 or 3 times again. And it's all random. Now, if you think about marketing, it's the same thing, really. You know, if you're going to market your business, consistency is probably the most important word. You've got to get yourself in front of people on a regular basis in order to build relationships, because that's what you want. You want a relationship, a ship of relations, if you will. And without that, you're never going to achieve probably the success that you could. So marketing for me is all about lead generation, and lead generation is all about getting people to know, like, and trust you. And that's the subject of an event that I've got running. I call it the Results Mastery Live event. And basically what I'm going to be talking about is why people's marketing is not working. Because generally speaking, marketing doesn't work, or at least doesn't work anywhere near to the level that it could. And I'm going to show you three things, three systems that you can use to solve that problem. So what I'd like to ask you to do is to go and get yourself signed up. I'm going to put a link below this video, and I want to get you to get yourself signed up to the next event. It's online, it's free, and it's on Wednesday at 1 p.m. to 1:45. So in 45 minutes, I'm going to give you all the tools, what you need to do in order to solve your marketing problems, create more leads more easily, more often. Thanks very much for listening, and I look forward to speaking to you again in the very near future. Thank you.